What's going on, you guys? Shaman106 here. Like Express. That's fine. I'm gonna show you guys how to work the child safety lock on your 2010 or 11. I don't know. And I'm gonna show you guys how the child safety locks work on your Chevrolet Impala. So you'll take a screwdriver, and this will work for the lock. Here's how it works. So you'll see this little dial, and you'll turn it, and then it locks. Here's how it works. So when little kids are sitting in the car, and they close the door, you can't open the door. Like, the lock is open. Like, when the lock is open, you can't open the door. So let's get out from the side. Let's get out from the side on. So yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I'm gonna put the phone down and then get back to the other side. Hello guys, I'm back from the other side of the door is open. So yeah, that's how it works. Guys. You want to turn it, and you want to turn it back to the right, and you want to get it back. You want to get back in the car, and you'll close the door, and you'll open the door. That's how the, so yeah, I'm gonna show you some how it's like when the child safety lock is on. When the child safety lock is on, so you'll flip the handle. Like, there is a piece inside the latch hold that doesn't click. So you want to turn the thing off. And then and it's unlocked. And like, I'm gonna show you guys, like, when the thing is locked, when the child lock is locked, it's unlocked from the outside. But when it's locked, this is how it works. So guys, it's locked on the inside. That's how the thing works. So it's unlocked from the exterior. So I'll unlock it again. It's unlocked again. And you want to get back into the car. And it's unlocked. That's how your child safety locks work on the Impala. Bye-bye, guys. So, peace out.